Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap the day's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, in our weekend video, I said that we had a low floater for subscribers. The only way to get that ticker and our report was to sign up at signup.insiderfinancial.com or any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Well, I can now tell you guys the stock that we profiled was BCAN. The stock opened on Monday at $2.78 and is now trading $5.15 in tonight's after-hours action. Congrats to all subscribers banking. To get our reports, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you will get a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging services are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat rooms whatsoever. Well, today was a rough day for many in the market, but if you're a subscriber or you watched last night's video, you did pretty good today, especially with BCAN and also now ASAN and AVCTQ. First up is ASAN. ASAN earnings came in better than expected. The stock closed at $17.80 but is trading $22.10 in the after hours. The bears are coming out and trying to say that it's overvalued and they're still trying to knock the earnings report. I have just this to say, and this is from the earnings call transcript. Learn to read, you dumb shorts. And also, it's all about dollars. You're going up against the wrong guy. CEO Dustin Moskovitz, he says, one thing I want to add to my formal comments is that I'm planning to enter into a 10b5-1 trading plan on March 9th to purchase up to 30 million shares of our Class A common stock subject to the required cooling off period. I'm doing this because I personally believe ASAN shares are undervalued, given the scale of the opportunity I see in front of us. The work management market is an enormous and underpenetrated market that I believe we're well positioned to lead, especially in enterprise. Working alongside some of the most strategic leaders in the respective industries gives us unique insights into their complex enterprise needs and various business models. This helps us inform our product strategy and positions us well to understand the future of work and solve our customers' most critical challenges over the long term. Guys, he's just going to, throw another $600 million at ASAN. I mean, this guy, he's the co-founder of Facebook. The guy's worth $9 billion. ASAN is his baby. I mean, just last year he bought, 19.2 million shares, a $350 million buy at $18. He obviously sees this area as the sweet spot where he is buying stock. Again, bears, 17% of the float is short. You're going up against the wrong guy. This guy is not going to let ASAN, fail in any way. If in terms of a company failing and the bears and the shorts, I will respect them, especially like with Silvergate. They called this one. For those of you that don't know what's happening, I mean, they're winding down operations. SI will go bankrupt. The stock will hit the OTC. It will be an OTC runner, just like AVCTQ. And like I said, guys, I said in last night's video, buy green. The first green day of this of any Q name that hits the OTC, you buy the first green day. And today we're up 26%, closed at 34 cents, but we were as high as 42 cents, opened at 29 cents. plenty of opportunities to bank. Congrats if you watched the video last night. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, just trying to provide as much help, in terms of information and educational purposes only. What else? And like I said, it's just clockwork. AVCTQ, former big board runner, former NASDAQ runner, hits the OTC, gets the Q symbol, first green day, you buy it. Right now, in terms of the overall market, the markets are really stuck. And actually, I'm leaning bearish. Just we're getting these rounding, this SPY rounding top, Tesla as well, rounding top here. I look at Tesla for sentiment, and this really tells you what you need to do. While the S&P, SPY is 398, Tesla is pulled back, from 217, to 182. This is quite a correction, even though the stock has rallied from 101.85 to 217. The bears have gotten, calling this top here, but again, this is a correction in a bull run right now. Let's see what else we got here. Right now, the markets are waiting for Friday's jobs report and CPI and PPI next week to see what the Fed will do, March 21st to 22nd. Expectations now have risen that there's going to be a 50 basis point rate hike. We will see how the data is. Powell said today that right now the Fed is watching those three reports. Jobs report on Friday, CPI and PPI next week, and that will determine how big the rate hike will be on the middle of March 22nd. Let's see here what else we got here. And right now, like I said, I'm leaning bearish. There's not a lot of that I'm seeing right now, because if you look at the sentiment, what's going on right now. First up is TRKA. This takes the steps on the way up and then the elevator on the way down. I mean, we've been covering it here at InsiderFinancial.com, since 20 cents. Plenty of time to use trailing stops, take money off the table. And as I said yesterday, you have to learn to respect technicals. Yesterday's high came in at just under $1 at 99 cents. RSI was overbought, so it was a clear signal to book profits. I know a lot of you are still fall in love with the story. Do not fall in love with any story. Fall in love with P&L. That's the only thing that matters, guys. It's all about your P&L. And in terms of sentiment, SI, going bankrupt, winding down operations, that is going to hurt, the overall crypto sector. The FTX going under, there's just been numerous dominoes falling. And, it still shocks me that crypto is holding up as well as it did. Bitcoin above 21,000. Just with all these dominoes falling, let's see how it plays out. But it's hard to be bullish right now in this sentiment. And then, like I said, sentiment, a lot of the retail favorites just not doing anything. I mean, MULN, FFIE, AMC, even the AI names that I've been talking about here, AI, SOUN, BBAI, all down today. So this is a sign that risk off is in play right now. And I want to talk to you guys about natural gas. I know a lot of people are trading BOIL, BOIL. They just think it's extremely cheap. Guys, I trade futures. I know all about them. Again, none of this is financial advice, but the contango really hurts you guys trading these leveraged ETFs. I mean, you could see BOIL. I mean, this one was 140 last summer. We're down at under $6. Kolds, KOLD. This one ran to $80 when nat gas hit $2. Now we're at $50. Trade them, don't own them. You're just going to get killed in the contango. And what contango is that near-term contracts for natural gas are cheaper than the ones further out. So each time that a contract expires, every month, the ETF has to roll over into the next one, which is priced higher. So you start losing there. So again, guys, that is how that market works. So these are, trade them, don't own them. Lastly, two OTCs, BIXT out has a zero hedge article, had 17,000 eyeballs on this one, so this is why this stock is running today. I know some people came out saying naked shorts, the stock hit 105, most likely someone sold. You know, I think a lot of people try to blame the naked shorts for everything. A lot of times this is just a seller or a toxic lender selling, but again, you know, BIXT, I really recommend people go and do their own research. We've talked about this one here at insiderfinancial.com. You can go and just type in the symbol in the magnifying glass and see what we've had to say about BIXT. Certainly an interesting play there. And lastly, guys, the OTC market is going to be saved. GVSI up 13% today. Just really amazing. I know everyone on OTC FinTwit is now going to be going, Dollarland coming, Dollarland coming. Georgie going to make us all multi-millionaires. Again, you know, this is the clown car. You know, good luck to you guys, but again, it's just comical. I enjoy watching GVSI. I have no skin in the game. I am not long. I'm not short. I just think it's a clown car. It's just comical what's going on with GVSI. I wish you guys all the best, though. Lastly, shout out here to Ranger the Derp Goat. He just says, blows my mind how accurate you are. Well, I try my best. We try to do, you know, what we can here for subscribers here at insiderfinancial.com. It's, you know, everyone knows the markets are not easy, but again, we do our best. And lastly, I just want to say, you know, if you go to stocktwits.com, you know, I really use this tool a lot. You know, the rankings, just click over here. It gives you the trending, most active, and most new watchers. It really tells you what the sentiment is. Guys, I focus on the green plays. You know, red, you know, it's trending because everyone's, you know, crying that they're losing money. Focus on, you know, what's green and, you know, the sentiment. If you get, you know, catalysts like ASAN has the earnings call tonight. Duska Moskovitz going to invest, you know, buy another 30 million shares, you know, stock up 25% in the after hours. It's trending, it's bullish. You know, again, tomorrow, the stock could dump tomorrow. Who knows what's going to happen? But right now, this tells you that it's trending. You know, it has catalysts. The sentiment is indeed positive. So again, it's just, you know, sentiment indicators are very important. Sentiment is what's driving markets right now, and you need to understand the sentiment. You know, you want to focus on being in the bull names, not in the, you know, where everyone's getting slaughtered, you know, like in TRKA, you know, that's just a, you know, you just want to throw in the towel, you know, grab a box of Kleenex for everybody that's in there right now. And guys, if, you know, right now, as I said, I don't see anything for tomorrow, but if I do, you know, make sure you are a subscriber. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Sign up with your email and your mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts and reports, because if I see something, it's much easier for me to send out a quick email or text than it is to do a video. So again, it's completely free. Check it out, and you know, right now we can say that our subscribers are indeed very happy, especially with BCAN trading over $5 in the after hours. Congrats to all banking there. Finally, guys, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Thanks for watching. Also, smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.